In this video guys, I'm gonna show you step by step how we made $125 just by using Pinterest affiliate marketing, promoting affiliate links on Pinterest, and I earned this commission just in one single day using free traffic from Pinterest. And in today's video I want to share with you everything, my method, which affiliate links I was promoting on Pinterest. So you just need to copy and paste my method. If you watch this video until the end, you will get everything you need to start, and you will earn commission. You can earn commission fast and start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Okay, let's get started. So what you need to do first guys is you need to go to Google and you need to search for this website. You need to search for Fiverr. Okay, let me show you. So go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here, and you need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do next, come to this page and just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, just click on affiliates. It will take you to this page over here, to Fiverr affiliates website. As you can see, what you need to do next is you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, before we do that, let me show you commission plan. If you scroll down, if you click over here on commission, see commission, you can see over here commission plan that you can earn up to $150. That's really a lot of money. If just one person buy a service from your affiliate link, you can earn up to $150. Okay, so what you will do to join Fiverr affiliate, let's go back to this page, click on join now. Okay, it will take you to this page over here, as you can see. And as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate is super easy and simple. So you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. You will answer few questions over here, and you will choose your country. Then you will choose your language. If you have Skype, you can use your Skype here. If you don't have, just click on next, and that's it. It's really easy and simple. Okay, it will take just few minutes, and after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to go back to your home page on Fiverr. Go back to your home page and click on the search for TikTok promotion. So this is one of my services that I was promoting on Pinterest to earn commission. So this will be profitable service for you, and I'm gonna show you step by step how you can promote this service on Pinterest. Okay, search for TikTok promotion, scroll down. So I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, top rated seller. If people click on your affiliate links and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. It's really easy and simple. So I'm gonna choose, I will find the best Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. Okay, so let me see, just I will find unique TikTok influencers. I'm gonna choose, okay, I'm gonna choose this one. This one is it's not level 1 or level 2, but he has a lot of reviews. Okay, but let's see if we can find a good one. I will do TikTok marketing. Okay, this one, as you can see, this one is level 2 seller. He has a lot of reviews, and I will click on his service. So just click on his service. He will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. What you need to do next is you need to copy his profile link, and you need to go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and dip links, click over here and put this profile seller page link here, and just click here, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, what you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest. So what you will do, if you don't have an account on Pinterest yet, go to Google, search for Pinterest. Okay, search for Pinterest like this, click on the first link, and you just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. Okay, and make sure to open a business account, not personal account. We need business account. Click on home feed, click on create pin. It will take you to this page over here. So what you will do, you will go back to this seller page, scroll down, click on his picture, upload this picture to your laptop. Okay, save image. I'm gonna name it TikTok. Save. Go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload your picture. Okay, this is my picture, and here you go. Your picture will be like this. Scroll down, you need to put title, description, and your affiliate link here. So what you will do, you will go back to this seller page and you will copy. So let me show you. You will copy his title. So just copy his title. That's fine, because you are just an affiliate. So you are just an affiliate marketer, so you can use his information. Okay, his title, his description, and so on. So for description, scroll down, you should see about this gig. This is his description. I will copy this part to show you. Go back to Pinterest, put this description here, scroll down, you should see over here link. Okay, so we need to put here link, our affiliate link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. Go to Pinterest, put your affiliate link here like this, scroll down, you need to choose a board over here, click over here. If you are new, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and you can create as many as you want. It's really easy and simple. So I'm gonna choose this one, and you need to scroll down and you need to put here tags. Okay, so what you will do, go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, keep scrolling down. You should find those tags here, related tags. Okay, copy those keywords. You should use those keywords on Pinterest. Okay, they are important. Okay, like this, and I'm gonna copy TikTok marketing. So make sure to use all those keywords. Okay, and after you finish, click on publish. So this will be the final step. View, and here you go. Your Fiverr affiliate link will be published on Pinterest, and that's how you can promote Fiverr affiliate services on Pinterest. If you want to earn money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, this is the method that I'm using. So make sure to use this method, guys, step by step. Just copy and paste. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.